Hey you guys, it's Shaporia at Mr. Naturals, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a basic cornrow. First we start with fresh, clean, blow-dried hair. Take apart. Doesn't have to be perfect the first time. And then you are going to clip that extra hair away. So now we're going to perfect the part, which we're going to use the Sleek Edge Tamer by Kalanji, and we're going to apply that to the part itself. And you will also do the other side as well. You will then go right back and perfect that part. Brush the edge tamer through and continue to perfect that part. Alrighty, so now that we got the part perfected, we are going to take a piece from the very front and we are going to separate that into 3 equal pieces. And then we are going to cross the left strand under the middle strand and grip it with our right hand. Grip it tightly, make sure you're as taut to the scalp as possible. Then you're going to take the far right strand, go under the middle as well, and then grip it with your left hand. And then you will do that again, so underneath. Then this time we are going to grab some hair, just add that in between your thumb and your pointer finger. Pull and making sure it is nice and clean. And then you will do the same as well on this side. Just grab some hair, put it in between your pointer and thumb, and then you will move the far left underneath the middle. And then you will just continue doing that until you have no more extra hair left. Once you are out of hair, you are going to continue that braid to the very bottom. Right strand under the middle, left strand under the middle, right strand under the middle, left strand under the middle. You braid all the way till you can't braid no more. And then either you can rubber band the ends or you can let them be free. And there you have it, a basic cornrow braid.